Hey, I'm Yuri. I made something. So thanks to Gao Sander on GitHub, he's from the University of Waterloo. I was able to create a new project where I can save a bunch of round trips to an AI data center and run it locally on my MacBook. Since my machine was already built for Apple Intelligence, and Apple Intelligence is not the greatest AI ever, but there are definitely some tasks that I could upload to it that I'm gonna show you. So this application is built on Rails on top of the exposed Apple Intelligence API, and let's give you a tour. So now we're in our terminal, and I have my previous session still there. Let's start to serve our API. So our API is served port 8080, standard stuff. And let's start Rails, because Rails is the way we interact with this API. So our Rails application is built on material design. It's quite easy. Hey, what is the capital of Paris? And it immediately corrects me, so that's quite a fast answer. So you can ask it to explain something a bit more complicated. You see that the responses are streaming. There are though relatively fast. Um, it's also this model does put and hallucinate much more than I want to, but I could give it a piece of code and say write me a commit message. Um, so it gives me equal size commit message. It's not the greatest, but I do think that this is a system words because I do figure it out that you kind of need to put the constraints in properly. Well, exactly 10 words. Okay, so this is the OpenAI project by Gao Sander. It's Apple Intelligence Web API. It does work great. Um, I did had a weird boot earlier, but SAI models don't really work that constant. Uh, it might not put right now. Let's see what it does. It does a put. Uh, I mean, it should be the same, but yeah. So I asked for a kid show, and it says it's highly offensive. So there are limitations. There are definitely limitations are that are suitable, and but the good thing about this, everything runs locally. So these are the questions that get into Rails, and you see the server just replying here. Anyway, that's it for the short demo.